Ne Christo nye. Tonye vava, just follow me. Nuka goma voha fi masofuto pepali wame nane kema digbemo ne Christo nye tonye vava amowasi watromegbe fomo ado nyeyamale jidebo. The song is saying that if indeed Jesus is mine, though I walk through the valley of shadow of death, if indeed Jesus is mine, I shall not be moved. For